battery. No battery.
What is going on, superstars? I'm so super excited to have you here at this moment. Good morning, Gerard in Zebra. What is that name? Is it Gerard in Zebra? Yes, what is going on? What is going on? So, today we are going to be seeing the best scalping strategy, how you can grow your small account. So we are going to be using the market analysis. I'm going to show you how you can use your top-down analysis and how you can start implementing those simple strategies, guys, so you can turn your small account into the high profitable. Are you getting, guys? So today is going to be amazing live, guys. Today is going to be so massive and amazing. So stick around with me and then we move. Let me reduce the music. Yes guys. So we are here. We are going to start by making our top-down analysis. Are you getting the point? So if you can hear me very well, just drop down a comment that if you hear me, so that we can start making our top-down analysis. We are going to analyze we are going to analyze 3 pairs. Good morning, sir. Hi, bro. Mark Nilsson. Yes, I can see you. Yes, what's up? Good morning to you guys. I'm so super excited to have you here live now. So we are going to be analyzing our market vix75. Yes, I can hear. Yes, I can. Yes, bro, that is good if you can hear me. So yes, we are going to start with vix75, volatility 75. Yes, this now we have here on the chart vix 25 index is the one which is on the chart. We are going to start with what the volatility 75 index, and then we analyze, we see if we can get opportunities right now. So let us go guys. Let us go. Vix 75, where are you? Yes, so this chart, we are going to start. Whenever you start your top-down analysis, you have to come to what? To daily time frame. So derive is just giving us a 24 hours. So you have to come on to 24 hours chart, and then you start your top-down analysis as the scalper. As usual, you can know we start with our top-down analysis to high time frame, and then we scale down to what? To low time frame, so that we can what? We can know exactly where the market is heading. Are you getting the point? So guys, do you see very well the chart? Do you see very well the chart? If you can see it very well, tell me that you can see it. Are you getting the point, guys? So here now we have vix75 index is one which this is 75 1s. Let me get 75 original. Yes, guys. Hold hold on a little bit here. There is something what I want to see here right now. There is something what I am looking for. Volatility 75. Yes. We go. We're starting from the high time frame right now, guys. So this is our what we call our top-down analysis, guys. Always start from the high time frame and then we go to the low time frame. So first thing first, we have to identify the direction where the market is heading. Are you getting? We can see around this place. Let me get this drawing here. Yes, guys, we can see around this place area. Let me increase the size so that you can see it very well, like that. So you can see that the market we are what on a daily time frame. We can see the market have been forming the high here. This was the low, the high low, and this also what the lower low. This is why the high, the market formed here, and breaks comes up here, formed what a double top, what we call a double top, and then the market bounced down aggressively. You can see almost 1 2 3 4 days the market dropping down. Are you getting? Which means all of this was the same opportunity. We make a high, a lower high, and then we formed here a lower low, what caused what a double bottom, what we call a double bottom, and then we're moving up. So as well guys, as well here, what you have to do always to get what, let me remove these drawings slowly, and then we move on. So what you have to do here, you have to go in, get a, this guy doesn't want to move. What's wrong with this cowboy? What's wrong with this cowboy? What I have to do is we refresh it so that it does not give us hard time, you know. It have already refreshed. So after identifying that thing, after identifying the high highs and the high lows, or the lower lows and the lower highs, the next step what you have to do, you boy, why are you making me crazy? 75, it becomes so much crazy. You getting the point? So at the next step, after identifying the lower highs and lower lows, what you have to do to get the horizontal line, and then you mark those the previous highs. If the market is going up, let me increase here also so you can see it very well. You see, so this is our previous high. Are you getting the point? Then the market comes and forms another zone here, and this which zone was broken in the low time frame. And the next step, you can see we mark our key levels. Are you getting the point? We mark our key levels. These are our key levels, which they will be giving us the playing ground. You can see that the market is moving from zone A to zone B. Now we are anticipating that the market will keep moving upward. So after getting these zones, after getting these daily zones, we have to drop down to H1 directly, guys. We go down to H1. Are you getting the point? When we reach in H1, when we have reached here on H1, what we have to do now to identify that the market is moving up, by which means we are still having a room here to go up. But remember one thing, guys. So remember, if around this place we break the structure of this low time frame, if we break the structure of this low time frame here, if H1 break this low time frame, the structure get broken. If this structure get broken, by which means the market is going to do what? Is going to move downwards. So right now we are waiting to see what the H1, what is taking place. As well, you can see very well around this place that market, we are on consolidation area right now. We have been moving, making the high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. At this moment now, we are on consolidation. Are you getting the point? If you can see very well right now that we are this tool is just disturbing me, guys. As well, if you can see, look very well, you can see that here we are making the equal highs and equal lows, by which means here the market now, it is creating the liquidity which will help the market to move down or to go up. So what are we waiting now in H1? We are waiting to see that the market can break this area. Are you getting the point? That the market can break this area, guys. The previous high low. This is the previous high low. If this volatility 75 index break this previous lower high and breaks and continue down, by which means the downtrend, it will be started. So what are we waiting right now? We are waiting to see the market shift from this consolidation area which we are right now, and then we shift downwards. We wait the retest. After waiting the retest, then we wait again to see that we are forming another leg here down, which will be a lower low. Are you getting the point? Before we start catching the downtrend, as long as we have not broken this area, guys, we have not broken this structure, guys, in H1, by which means we are still on uptrend. Are you getting the point? We are still on uptrend. So go to your chart right now, and I want to analyze with you at this moment. Open your chart and then we analyze this together. So we have been moving upward. We have been moving on upward. We have an uptrend, guys. Let us try to identify this uptrend. Are you getting the point? Let us to identify this uptrend. What we have to do to connect these areas, and then we raise up like this, our trend line. So this is what it have been moving, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, by which means we have been on uptrend. We have been looking for the buy opportunities only. Are you getting the point? So we are waiting this zone to get broken so that we can start looking for the sell opportunities, guys. You can see, guys. So before this zone get broken, we have to drop down to minute 15. We have to go we have to go to minute 15. So we are in minute 15 right now. We are in minute 15. What do we see in minute 15? There is some opportunities which have already passed on us, because we are still looking for the buys until this structure has got broken. If we are in minute 15, guys, we have to get our channel. You can connect this point here around, and then we bring down it like this. So we wait the market to break. So before you consider that the market got broken, you have to identify the structures what have been formed inside these 15 inside minute 15 structures. We can see that minute 15, it have been making forming the high, this is the low, this is the high, and this is the low. You can see it was forming the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So where is the previous lower low, lower high? This was the previous lower high. Are you getting the point? So the market tried to come down, it failed. Are you getting around here? And then this shows us inverted head and shoulder. If you can see that here we had inverted head and shoulder, and then we break out the trend line. That's what that is the thing which I sent yesterday in the Telegram group. I told you guys, before you take the entries. Are you getting the point? Before you take the entry here, are you getting the point? So what you have to do hold on a little bit here, guys. There's something what I need. There's something what I need here. So before you take your entry, I'm getting the point. Before you do what? You take the entry. What you do? You have to wait that the market do what? Do this. Do something here like this to break around this area. Are you getting the point? To break this area should be broken. The moment this area get broken, and then you wait the trend line also to go what? To get broken. When the trend line get broken and the structure, the previous low high get broken, immediately you execute after seeing what? After seeing the candle, the minute 5, after seeing this minute 5 close above the structure. Are you getting the point? After seeing that the minute 5 candle have closed above the structure here, and then you execute your TP at the 100% of what? The 100% of the structure which have got broken. Are you getting the point, guys? So right now we can see that this market it have started shifting. If we can connect this area to this, we get our trend line tool here. Our trend line tool, we connect this low and these two double bottoms, and we extend in the future like this. We can see that the market now in minute 15 it have tried what? It have tried now to start showing us that we are forming a reversal pattern. If you can see it clearly like this, we are forming a reversal pattern here. We have a rising wedge on the what? On the zone. We have a rising wedge on the resistance. Are you getting? Whenever you see that a rising wedge on the resistance, guys, this it can push, by which means the market is creating, is making more orders here, by which means they are buyers and sellers. The market, they are trying to accumulate more we retail traders, so that we can think that the market will continue up the orders, and then the market will go down by hitting some stop losses and whatever, as you can know. So right now as we are talking, what we are waiting to see that the market moving like this, to come and break this structure right now here, come back and make a retest. After making a retest, and then we continue downwards. Are you getting the point? This is the only thing what we are waiting to see on what? On volatility 75 index. So don't take any single trade right now until you see the market shift. If this has not happened right now, what we have to do, we have to wait this thing to happen, guys. Let me remove this, guys. Hold on a little bit, I remove these drawings so we can continue. So if only if, are you getting the point? Only if this has happened. Do you see this? Do you see around this area where the market have lasted here right now? To start taking buys, we have to wait the market start showing us start like how now is doing. This is a low, this is a high here, this is a high. Now we have formed a low, this is a low high. Now we have forming what? A lower low, which is creating an echo. Are you getting the point? These are what are echo. So we have to wait here another what? Another low high. The market form a lower low, comes back from a low high, like that, until we reach here to the zone, and we see what will happen. Will it get broken and we come outside, or is going to come up like this to take this the previous lower high? I'm going to take this lower high, and then they make a retest. So we have to wait to see what minute 15 is going to tell us. Are you getting the point? To see the minute 15 is going to tell us. That is what we are waiting to see right now. We are on minute 15 with what? Volatility 75. If this structure is forming, if this structure gets started forming, we have to draw our trend line here like this. So we wait the structure to get broken. The last lower high here, we will draw our zone like this here, so that we can what? We can see if this happens, we will execute at exactly the what? The M5 candle close above our structure, which is now is forming. Those are the things what we are waiting to see. Are you getting the point? By which means we are not guaranteed, because here we have how many touches do we have here? You can see, guys, we have one touch. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have 4 touches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have also 4 touches, which means this is also a strong support, a strong resistance up, guys. So, but if we have got a good structure here to scalp, which means we wait to see that the shift of the break of the structure in minute 15, and then we scalp from here after the trend line get broken, and then we come to what? To this resistance zone. Why? The market have tried to break, and then we continue up to the daily zone, but it's still what? It's still refusing. But remember that, keep that in mind, that we are still having a big room and upward, so that all of those can be what? Can be happen. Are you getting the point? So let us keep holding until we see what? We see the moving shift or of this 75 index, guys. Are you getting the point? So that was what? That is 75 analysis. I think, guys, you have understood very well what to do. Are you getting the point? This is what we are waiting. Let me go to minute 5, and then we get a right structure. Are you getting the point? We get a right structure. So that was the explanation. Let me try to see what I'm going to take the trade, what I want to see right now before I take the trade. I want to see this zone get broken. Are you getting the point? To continue with the buy. To start looking for the sell, I want to see this get broken. Are you getting the point? So this is what? This is the market live now here around. To continue with the long buys until this what? Until this resistance get broken. To continue with the long sales until this zone get broken in H1. So to scalp this right now, we have to drop down to M5. Let us go to M5. We will see if we can get the setup in minute 5. So in minute 5, guys, we can see right now here at this moment, if you see clearly, that we have to draw here our trend line, because the market now is making this was a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. So this is a low low. We are waiting to see the lower high, and come the lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we break the structure here, and we break our trend line, which will be here, and then we wait the retest. We continue up. Are you getting the point? We continue what? We continue up to this zone. So this zone is going to be our TP. It's going to be what? It's going to be our take profit. So let us get our what? Our tool here like this. So, and then copy. Hold on a little bit. Let me do like this. Let me do like that. So this is the structure which we have right now. We are looking for the buys as long as we are still above this what? Above this H1 zone. We are still looking for the buys. So now we are waiting to see if this downtrend get broken in minute 5. So before we take the buy, even though the candle right now breaks above, we have to wait this. We have to wait this, the last, this zone which is formed around here, to get broken. Are you getting the point? We have to wait here. This is the high, This is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, this is the lower low. Before we take entry, we have to wait this trend line to get broken. After this trend line get broken, and also this the lower high, previous lower high should be get broken. If the market forms here another lower high, guys, to continue down, we have to shift this to put it here. So keep moving until you see that the structure got broken, get break, and then the candle close above this this trend line. Immediately when you saw that, take your entry, scalp it up to this zone. When you hit that zone, first come out from from the market. So that is the 75. Let us go to the 75 1s. Are you getting the point? Let us go to the 75 1s and we see what is there. So this is 75 1s right now. As low as well, you can see we always start from the high time frame. This is the high time frame right now. We are on the daily. First thing first, we have to look for the daily U-turns where the market have stand strong. You can see this was the strong here, this point. We put our zone here, and then we mark the low of the day, this, which means this is our playground. So today we are going to be looking how we can catch opportunity around this zone from the daily high and the daily low. We are going to be looking from that. So after seeing that, we drop down directly to H1 to get the trend of H1, where the H1 is heading. Hi bro, what's up? Yeah. So we are on H1 right now. This is volatility 75 1s. So we can see that the market it have been forming the high highs, high lows, high highs. Yes, started from here. This is the high, low, high, like that. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high. We formed the high, low here, like that. Here we got a double bottom. We wanted to scale it down, and then it failed. Are you getting to break this structure? And then we continued up. This is a minor zone. Are you getting the point? So but it is a major zone now because it have forced the market to move up. This is a high high, high low. We formed a high high, we have come back, we form a high low. This is the high high, which creates a double top, and then we are coming back down. Are you getting the point? That is where we are right now, but which means we have a double top at the top in H1. We're expecting these double tops immediately when this neck get when this neck get broken. Are you getting a point, guys? If this neck get broken in H1 also, it's like 75. They have the same setup, guys. I can see if this zone, guys, get broken, we start looking for we start looking for the sales. Are you getting the point? We are going to start looking for the sales if this zone get broken. Are you getting the point? So this is what I can see right now. Let me first get the trend line of H1 to see. So we connect this place, and then we raise this trend line up like that, and then we put it upward. Here we get the next one from down to up. So this is our day. This is our today's setup, guys. So we are waiting one thing to happen here, the market to break this area and break the trend line, come back to make a retest on high time frame, and then we will scale down on minute 5. Are you getting the point? We go to minute 5, and then we start looking for the sales opportunity. Are you getting the point? That is what I can see right now. The 75 1s, that is what is doing. Let us go to minute 5 and we see what is there. Let us go to the minute 5 and we get a clear picture. So this is what we have right now. You can see that the market have been making here. We have got up here a double tops. Are you getting the point? A double tops, but which means we are still looking for the buys. We are still looking for we are still looking for the buys opportunities if also this zone fight to get broken. So what we have to do, we have to wait here. Where is the last here? Because if we can see that the market it have forming the high, this is was the lower high, and this is the lower low. Are you getting the point? So before we take a buy in a VIX 75, we have to wait the market break this previous lower high. So we have to wait it breaks this previous lower high, and then we continue looking for the buys. So as well, if you can see that there is this is big zone in H1, then the market is playing around this. So to stay safe around this, please hold on and we see what will happen. Are you getting? We don't have here we don't have right now here a good setup in VIX 75 1S. We don't have a good setup right now. It's still on arranging. We have to wait to see that we can get a good setup right now. Are you getting the point? So that is what I can see on VIX 75 1S, guys. Are you getting the point? If we break this trend line and we break this zone, we will start looking for the downtrends. We start looking for the opportunities. As long as we are still up of this, we are still looking for the buys opportunities. Are you getting the point? Unless we can go to the minute one and we see what is there. Let me take you to the minute one and I see if can check VIX 25. I can see good setups. Okay, I'm going to check that. I'm going to check it right now. Let me first see if we can get some scalp opportunities here right now, guys, in VIX 75 1S. So if we can get our trend line here, we connect like this. We connect here like this. We wait this trend line to get broken. We are on minute one. This is what the high. This is the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, because it have caused the market to go down, and this is the what? This is the structure right now. So if you want to take a buy right now, wait this structure to get what? To get broken. Are you getting the point, guys? Let me show you. If you can go in minute one, there is this structure what I have drawn. Let me remove also this. I'm going to analyze it, bro. I'm going to analyze it, bro. So yeah, in VIX 75 1S, if the market get break in minute one, this is the setup. It's on minute one, guys. It is on minute one. So if the volatility 75 guys break around here, because we can see we are expecting I'm seeing here like some sort of inverted head and shoulder, guys, because you can see it have moving like this. It have been moving like this. Now it have come back. The zone now is coming up. We're expecting only we are going to take this trade after the market to break this area, come back and make a retest, and then we scalp it. Minute one setup. I'm getting point. This is what I'm seeing. That we have to wait that to happen in minute one setup. If that happens, scalp it from here. Let me see long. Let what. So if this get broken, we are going to take here. Our stop loss is going to be here. After after the candle which will break here, this will be the stop loss down here, and then we take this the high again. Are you getting the point? So this is the setup. If this happen in Volatility 75 index, that is the scalping setup. How much are we going to be risking, and how risk? We are going to risk one and then we gain two if this setup works. Are you getting the point? That is the setup on Volatility 75 1S. Someone is requesting Volatility 7. Volatility what? 25. Volatility 25. Are you requesting volatility 25 1S or volatility index? Bro, tell me. Yeah, you can text me again. You can tweet again, and then I see. Is it 75? Sorry, is it 25 or 25 1S? Which one would you like to analyze? There is someone who requested 75 what? 75. Who one requested your VIX 25? Okay, it is 25. Yes, 25. Let us go to high time frame and we see what is there. Okay, bro, I'm opening it here. Waiting to see the network. Somehow it's like, you know, it's raining right now. It's raining, so the network is like down. Network is like down. Let me try to refresh. Here. All right. Yes. So as well as usual, you know, we start from the high time frame and then we go down. What do we have here right now? What do we have here? We get our lines. This was the low and this is the high. This is the structure which we are looking at our playground of the day. Here we are in the middle right now. So where are we heading? Let us dive into the H1 to see the day, the H1 trend. Let us go to H1 to see the H1 trend, because we are trading when we are moving with H1 trend. Are you getting the point? So where is our, like this? Like that, and then we shift it here downward like that way. Get another one here. So that is the H1 downtrend, guys. We have it. It's so good setup. We are looking for the sales. So let us go to minute 5. Let us go to the minute 5. Yes, we are on minute 5 right now. In minute 5. This setup it have not already gone. Let me connect this here. Like this. Connect it very well so we cater the wicks so that we don't get caught out. Are you getting the point? You have to cater these wicks so that we don't get what? We don't get caught out. So this is supposed to be here like that. Let me get another one. Doing it here like this. Like that. Minute 5. Yes, the setup is done. So what are we waiting before we sell? We are waiting this to happen. This is the what? The power got from here. This zone was broken like this. So bro, what you have to wait right now, because for me I don't trade this pair, but I see there's some good opportunity. What you have to wait now, because the trend is going down. The trend what is going down. We have to look for the sales. What we have to wait here to see the breakout of this structure and the breakout of this what of the trend line. The immediately when this get broken, and then we will execute. We go for the sale. Let us say that it will get broken around this area, and then the stop loss will be above the structure which is going to be breaking this area like that, and then our TP 100% of this the structure. Are you getting the point? Like that. We are going to risk 1 so that we can gain 2. Execute after seeing the minute 5 candle close below of this the structure. If it have not this happen, don't take the trade, wait. And another thing, let us first go to minute 15 and we get, so that we can do what we can see the fake outs, because they can fake us out here if we are not clear. You can see that the minute 15 is showing us we have, if we can go in the line chart, you can see that we have here what we have. This is the double top. Are you getting the point? Double top. The S zone can also hold, and then it comes back to form what? Form an inverted head and shoulders. If this happens, so let us put here somewhat, because we are at this area, we're expecting some a pull back inside, and then we break, so that we can what? We can form what? Inverted head and shoulders. Let's go back to the daily candle. So if this candle close below, we execute and then we take the market down. I'm getting point. The TP, where is the TP? This is going to be our TP1, and then this is going to be our TP2, like that. I get the point. I get the point. Hold on structure to get broken, and then we close below. We close below. If the candle have not closed below, don't take the trade. Someone who wants to trade volatility 25, wait. We are still having how many? 3 minutes to see what will happen. See what will happen. Are you getting the point? If the candle close below this structure, we are going to sell it. If it have not happened, don't execute. Let us go back to what? To M5, and we keep seeing what will happen. Yes, we are in minute 5. We are on the structure now. Let us keep holding and we see what will happen. Do you see the rejection in minute 5? I see a big rejection in minute 5. So there is likely this setup, maybe it will work or it will not. I can see. So let us hold and we see if this get broken, guys. Yes. Are you ready, guys? We are going to go in. We are going to go in. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go, guys. 1 minute remaining, and then we go. Hold on the candle to close, bro, and then I will tell you where to put your stop loss. Make sure to use the money management. Hold on the candle to close. If the candle close be above, we are not going to take the trade. If the candle close above the zone, we are not going to take the trade. 1 minute, the candle closed. You can execute with a small lot size, then put your stop loss. At 1964.5906. That is your stop loss. Put your stop loss around that area, guys. Point. The TP1 supposed to be 19.5660. That is TP1. Then TP2 put it 1952.5896, and then we hold. We see we see how the setup we play. Use risk money management. Let us wait and we see how the setup it will play. Are you getting the point? This is our execution. Yes, if the price hits 1957.7961, go to break even. I think we are in blue. If you have used a big lot size, don't accept the market to come back to bring you back to the red. Are you getting the point? So that you will call it what? A break-even trade. If the market reach on 1957.7961, go to break-even. So that is the setup in volatility 75, volatility 25 index. Yes, we are in. Those ones who are trading it, that is the setup, guys. That was the setup, and then I think we are in blue, guys. If you have already caught that signal, our friend told us we analyze, he can see some good setup, and then we did it. Yes, the market is moving good. Let us keep holding and we see what will happen. So let us analyze another pair. Let us go to see what. Hold on, and I save this. V25. I was looking at 9 to 8. 9 to 8. 9 to 8. 9 to 8. Okay, let us go to the 10, volatility 10, volatility 10. VIX 10, 24, where are you? Yes, VIX 10, VIX 10, VIX 10, VIX 10. As well, you know, we start from the high time frame, we go to the down. We drop down. Yes, we have to find our playground. Yes, we have here the high here, and then we have what? We have the low here. We go directly to H1. We have to hold here. There is no setup, guys. The market is approaching up, because if we can try to look here, I don't see some good setup here, guys. The setup here, it was on, bro. There's no good structure here, bro, in volatility 10. I don't see it, because the good movement was this and this downward. That was the good movement. So we have to wait until the market hits to this zone, and we see if we catch a continuation, or we going or we catch a reversal. That's what we wait to see. There's no setup in volatility 10. I don't see. Maybe we can go in minute 15 and we see if we can get some good structure. Let me try to see. You see, we have here a huge consolidation. We break it. This was a huge arrangement. We break, we come back to make a retest, and then we have moved up. As long as we are going up, by which means the scalping setup was this. This was the scalping setup here. After the structure to get broken, and then the trend line to get to be what? To be broken like this. The setup is already gone. This was the setup, what was here. By which means you was going to enter, look for a buy here. Sorry, this was going to be your buy, execution here, entry, your stop loss here, like that. That was to be like that. Risk one to make two, but here there is a big room. You can bring it to that zone. That was the setup on VIX 10. It have already gone. In minute 15 is when we have found it. Let us dive down to minute 1 to minute 5, and we see what was exactly there to get a good picture. So you can see that. That's why I told you, when you want to trade, you wait the zone to be getting what broken. This zone here in minute 5. If you can come in minute 5, you can see that we had this small structure here like this. That was in minute 5, and then we had a lower high here, which was retested in minute 5. This was the structure, but which means your entry was supposed also, the entry in minute 5 was supposed to be around here, the second candle, and then the stop loss below, where the TP above the other structure, which we are targeting here, like that. Those were the two entry minute yes, in minute, like that, in minute 15 and minute 5. So the setup would have already gone on volatility 75. On volatility 10. Setup is already gone, so we can't take it now. We have to wait the market hit it here, and then we see what will happen. Those was the setup, what you could quote. Are you getting the point? And then you take the buy. Another pair, guys, which you want to be analyzed. If you want, we see another pair. Which pair? If you don't have the pair, I think we can go back and we see what's going on in E25. Yes, 25 is dropping like crazy, guys. We are dropping in 25. Our setup is working good, man. Our setup is working. As long as we hit 19, as long as we hit 1957.7961, go to break even, bro. You have to go to break even, bro. Yes. Check vix75 1s in 15 breakouts. Also V10 we have done. There is no setup, so okay. Let me first take this bullshit screenshot. One S 75 1S. One S. Why was it the last? This is the daily here. And then we have the low here. We're going to go with this. Yes, we are analyzing now 75 1S. Then we go to H1 directly and we see. And we see. Yes, we're having a massive drop. Let me go to minute 5. Yes, the neck was broken here. Yes, we can sell. We wait the minute 5 to close and then we sell. For long term sale, we have to wait this candle, H1 candle, to close below. We have to wait because this, it can be a minor structure. If we can go to what? Do you see this? The good thing, this here, it was broken out. This. So if we come back to what? To candlestick pattern, which means where are the wick? These are the wicks here. So if these are the wicks, up here like that, we have to wait this H1 candle to close below and then we execute, because this one candle can come back inside. Are you getting the point? So we have to wait H1 candle to close below. Then the scalpers, you can execute. vix75 minute 5. Yes, we are in. VIX, we are in. vix75 1S, we are selling. TP1, TP2, TP3. Yes, we are in. If not yet caught this setup, I have entered from here. My stop loss above here. This is the TP1. Then TP2 here, like that. Yeah, you go in H1. And then TP3, yeah. So let us keep holding and we see the setup, how it will play, guys. Thanks so much for being with me here today. I'm so super excited. I'm so super excited. Let us hold those two setups and we see how it will play. See you to the next episode. Peace. Are you getting a point, guys? I'm in with you guys. You can see those are the trades, guys. Yes, I'm in with you. We are moving. Let us wait and see how it will be. Are you getting the point? How it will work. So yes, let us see how this it will work, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Peace.